Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable two-step verification in your Yahoo account. So to do that, first of all, you must have to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, on the top right side of the screen, you can see an option with your name written on it. Click on it, then click settings. After that, once you reach this page, you can see four options on the left side of the screen, which are personal info, account security, recent activity, and preference. Click on the second one, which is account security. Then scroll down, and there you can enable two-step verification by two methods. The first one is security key, and the second one is phone number. We will enable two-step verification by the second method, which is by using our phone number. We will click right here, and then we will enter our mobile number. After entering our mobile number, you have two options. You can either send a SMS to your phone number, or you could instead make a call to your phone number. I'll choose send SMS, and then it will send a verification code to my phone number. Simply check your phone and enter the verification code. After entering the verification code, click verify, and there you have it. You have successfully enabled two-step verification for your Yahoo account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.